Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making decisions that save time later. Choose paper weight and final size, then cut sheets accordingly. Fold sheets into signatures now. Use a bone folder to sharpen creases so seams sit tight. Once done, stack a signature and mark 3 to 5 evenly spaced holes measured from each end. This determines sewing rhythm. Use a ruler and light pencil marks. Make holes through the fold with an awl while the signature is clamped, so holes line up perfectly. You now assemble signatures and sew them into a single book block. Thread a wax needle, tie a short knot, and start at the center hole. Pull until the knot seats inside. Sew through each adjacent signature using a kettle or pamphlet stitch pattern. Loop around previous stitches to lock the sewing. Maintain even tension so the spine curves naturally. Once all signatures are joined, backstitch at the ends, pass thread through spine tapes or headbands if used, and trim the thread close, but secure the knot inside the fold. You finish by building a sturdy cover and joining it to the sewn block. Cut boards a few millimeters larger than pages and create a shallow groove along the spine so the cover hinges. Glue in papers to the boards and apply PVA to the spine only, making sure glue penetrates the sewing. Once glued, clamp or press the book flat until dry. After removing clamps, trim edges cleanly, burnish corners, and attach any elastic or closure. If stitching loosens, retension that section and reinforce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.